Grab your popcorn, because we're about to uncover the mysteries of short selling while we unravel the latest financial adventures in the world of stocks. Now picture this, you've got some high-flying electric vehicle and solar stocks, and they're soaring like a bald eagle on the 4th of July. But guess who's not impressed? Short sellers. These guys are like the financial daredevils, placing bets against the electric vehicle and solar stocks. A recent report reveals that luxury EV startups like Rivian and Lucid, and the big daddy of them all, Tesla, made it to the top 10 most shorted stocks this month. This report has even got something called a crowdedness score. Sounds like a traffic jam at a stock market intersection. It shows which stocks have the highest percentage of funds shorting them. Rivian, Lucid and Tesla, welcome to the not-so-exclusive club. And among the small cap stocks, Sunrun and Sonova Energy are the underdogs getting a lot of attention from short sellers, with the highest percentage of funds shorting them. But why bet against these renewable champions? We'll find out soon, and stay tuned to the end as we check in with Simon, our resident stock market oracle, to see if luxury electric vehicle stocks like Tesla are a buy, hold or sell right now. But first, why do short sellers do what they do? What are the potential benefits? Short selling's like borrowing a stock and selling it with the expectation of buying it back at a lower price later. It's a way to profit from a stock's decline, and that's the first benefit. Short selling can act as your financial superhero. It helps you make money when stocks are going down, and acts as a hedge against potential losses in your investments. But of course, where there's a superhero, there's also a villain. Short selling comes with its own set of risks. The most significant risk, unlimited losses. Unlike buying stocks, where your losses are limited to what you've invested, short selling can lead to unlimited losses if the stock keeps rising. It's like trying to swim against a strong current. If you're still interested in taking the plunge into short selling, here are some tips to help you navigate the wild waters. Before you go all short sell superhero, you need to do your research. You can't just short a stock on a whim. That's like picking a Netflix show without reading the reviews. A risky move indeed. You wouldn't go on a blind date without a little background check, right? Well, the same goes for stocks. Be the Sherlock Holmes of finance. Put on your detective hat and dig into those company financials like you're solving a mystery. You need to do your homework and be the calculating genius who understands the market conditions before hitting that short button. The almighty stop loss order. Here's how you protect yourself from those unlimited losses. It's like your own personal bouncer for your money. Set that bad boy up and you'll be limiting your damages faster than you can say, "Show me the money." Remember, in the world of finance, it's not just about making gains, it's about dodging losses like a ninja with a calculator. Now let's talk about why all this short selling's happening. The world of solar, wind and electric vehicles has been on a bit of a roller coaster recently. There are some industry headwinds and a higher interest rate environment, and it's causing these stocks to go on a bit of a downward trend. It's like they're riding the stock market roller coaster, and it's making us all a bit dizzy. Rivian is down about 35% since mid-July, and Lucid, well, they're down about 49% over the same period. And the renewable champions Sunrun and Sonova, they're down more than 50% since mid-July. So what's the takeaway from all this? Well, in the world of finance, it's all about perception. Some folks see these stocks as the future, while others are a bit more sceptical. And that's where the short sellers come in, placing their bets and shaking things up. Short selling's a high-stakes game, but if you play your cards right, it can be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal. In a moment, we'll check in with our financial oracle, Simon the Predictive Tortoise, for the ultimate forecast on electric vehicle stocks. But just quickly, if you're keen to dive into the glamorous world of investing and take a stance on your carbon neutral future, Robinhood's your best buddy. They've made it so easy, it's like the financial equivalent of a microwave dinner. Pop it in, press a few buttons and boom! You're in the investing game. And the best part, it's commission free. No sneaky costs hiding in the shadows. Whether you're into stocks, ETFs, or even those wild and woolly cryptocurrencies, Robinhood's got your back. And they even throw in some educational goodies to make sure you're not just blindly throwing darts at the stock board. So sign up for Robinhood and make those dreams of financial glory come true, all while sipping coffee in your pyjamas. Links in the notes below. Now, if you've decided to dip your toes into the thrilling world of short selling, you're basically putting on a financial cape and becoming a superhero. But it's not all fun and games. Short selling's like having access to a formidable superpower, and it requires great courage, strategy, and a good dose of responsibility. Sure, you've got the suit, but you need to handle it with care. Use your short selling powers wisely, and you might just save the day. Or at least your portfolio. Simon, are electric vehicle stocks like Tesla a buy, hold or sell?